Coming up, I'm gonna give you 5 simple tips to help you write an email that will get read. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. There are more than 3 billion emails sent every day worldwide. With so many emails, there are terrible ones and there are ones that stand out. Some are too long to read and some are too short. Mastering the skills of composing excellent emails can make or break you in your career. It can be the difference between getting a job or not. It can be the difference between getting a response from someone important or radio silence. It can be the difference between being a top performer at work or not. Let's discuss the 5 things you should pay attention to when you're writing an email. Number 1, pay attention to the subject line. Make your subject line unique. Make it meaningful. Make it easy to find when your recipient is searching for it. Your email subject line is the most important part of your email. Many people don't pay attention enough to them. It should be compelling, like a headline on an article. It should capture the recipient's attention and pique their interest in reading more. Number 2, don't forget about formatting. You must write emails that have at least 12-point font. Using a font smaller than 12 will be tough to read by the recipient, especially if a person is looking at it on its smartphone. Keep your audience in mind and use a font style that is simple, like sans serif fonts such as Arial. Also, make sure your paragraphs are no more than 5 sentences long. Number 3, make your first sentence count. The first sentence should communicate the critical parts of your email so that the recipient can delete, respond, or forward it. Use the inverted pyramid approach where your email is structured so the most important part is up first. The who, what, when, where, and why appear at the beginning, and then supporting details follow. Don't bury the lead. In journalism, bury the lead means the newsworthy part of the story fails to appear at the beginning. Your first sentence should not give background on a topic or set up your story. That information can come later. Your first sentence should have your ask. What do you want the recipient to do? Number 4, keep your email short. Don't write an email that is more than 5 paragraphs long. Ideally, your email is shorter than 3 paragraphs. People don't have time for long-winded emails. We have become a society of scanners, not readers. Take this into account. If you can communicate your email in less than 5 paragraphs, you should find a different form of communication, such as a phone call, face-to-face meeting, or a FaceTime call. Number 5, your email should only have 1 call to action. Each email you write should be on 1 topic. It should be singular, focused, and specific. For example, please review this document. Or do you have time for a short meeting this week? Or can you please make an introduction for this person to me? Figure out your call to action and then work backwards to determine the form of communication. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. If your email is effective, you will have fewer emails. Your email should be written so well in the beginning that they are easily understood and the recipient knows what action they should take. You can create an excellent relationship with email if you follow these 5 tips. We live in our email inbox. Figure out if email is the best approach for your communication. Email is 50 years old and it's still not dead, which means it's still effective. The key is to write a powerful email so you get a reputation for writing great emails. Thank you for watching. Until next time.